Hello, welcome to Basic Material and Texture Paint part to this series. Let's go to the video. First, we will add our hair materials. Go to Shading tab, add a noise texture, and with Ctrl T add mapping nodes, and color ramp. Connect texture coordinates UV to the vector. You can set your X and Y scales for giving a straight type of it, and choose a color which you want. Decrease roughness a bit and increase metallic. You can add a bump node if you want. Connect noise textures fag to height and bump to normal. You can change your strength. Choose all your hairs and last selection material it, Ctrl L link material. It will look like that in cycles. For the eyelashes and eyebrows, if you want, you can match with your hair color. With the picker, get your yellowish color. For the eyes, add two materials. Second material is iris, make it black. Choose your faces and assign iris material. Go to Shading tab, add gradient texture and color ramp. Connect them each other. Ctrl T for mapping nodes. Select in edit mode with A, U, project view from bounds. And connect texture coordinates UV to mapping nodes, vector. Set your X and Y location minus 0.5. Add third color variation for your color ramp. And don't forget to check gradient textures will be spherical. You can get your iris and eye colors from color ramp. And decrease your roughness. For the dress, I will add a fabric texture. I downloaded it from the ambientcg.com. You can search on a fabric. Smart UV project for unwrap. You can set your scale. For the second material, add a new material and choose your faces and assign. Where you want, you can add. We will make it a basic way. For the blouse, we will add a gradient. Add a gradient texture and color ramp. And Ctrl T to mapping node. Add separate XYZ and connect Z to vector. Add third color variation for your color ramp. You can set which colors you want. For the shoes, I will set a pinky color and decrease roughness a bit. I will leave it like a basic. Before the texture paint, we will make an unwrap. First, unhide your accessories and hairs. In edit mode, choose an edge line, right-click, mark seam. For the chin, mark seam again. For the top of your head, with the holding control. For arms and legs, add a mark seam to ears. For the hand, make same thing. For the legs and foot, add your mark seam line. Make same thing for the foot fingers. With A, select all faces, U to unwrap. Or UV edit map will look like that. For the mouth round, you can add another mark scheme to them. Before this, apply your mirror modifier and unwrap again. Our face map will look like that. Add a material and add an image texture. Set it 4K and connect. Go to Texture Paint tab. With the fill, you can get some colors hex code from this website. And in hex code, Ctrl V. For shadow and blush, add different colors, or you can use your color palette from here. And add a color palette with the plus icon. For don't forget your colors which you pick up before. Decrease strength. And don't forget to check your symmetry. You can give a bit pinky color for your character. I will make it basic way to this. I only want to show you how to make a simple character texture painting. If you want all details, you can use different brush and upload to Blender, or you can use Substance Painter. Add pinky color for cheeks and for inner of eyes. Which type you want, you can make it. For the lips, add dark color and paint it. If you want, you can add some eyeshadow or eyeliner. Add subsurface color for your character and increase your subsurface value. Let's add a septum. For this, add a circle, delete half of it. Select all, E to extrude. E to extrude, right click and Alt S to scale. Place it to the character nose and give which material you want. For the earring, you can shift it to duplicate and place it near of the ear. For the necklace or choker, choose your faces, shift it to duplicate piece selection and give a color. Our character materials are ready. It's all personal, how you want you can make it. Thank you for watching. See you in next part.